Our topic for today is that Pakistan regional government to fund construction of destroyed temple. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel and must give your opinion in the comment section below and watch this video till the end to get complete information about today's topic. A Hindu temple in the northwest Pakistani province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa that was destroyed by a Muslim mob earlier this week will be rebuilt using provincial government funds, its information minister said on Friday. Police have arrested dozens of people, including the local Muslim leader, for their involvement in Wednesday's attack on the Shri Paramhans Maharaj Samadhi temple in the town of Karak, some 100 kilometers southeast of the provincial capital, Peshawar. We regret the damage caused by the attack, said Kamran Bangash, the provincial information minister belonging to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, party of Prime Minister Imran Khan. The chief minister has ordered the reconstruction of the temple and adjoining house, he told AFP news agency. About 1500 people descend on the temple in the remote village after protesting against innovations being made to an adjoining building owned by a Hindu group. They used sledgehammers to knock down walls before setting the building ablaze. Construction will start as soon as possible with the support of the Hindu community, Bangash said, adding security would be provided at the site. District Police Chief Irfanullah Khan told AFP about 45 people had been arrested in connection with the incident, including a local Muslim leader, Mullah Shri, who is accused of inciting the mob. Khan added police are also looking for Mullah Mirza Hakim, the district leader of Jamiat Ulama Islam, one of the Pakistan's largest Islamic parties. On Thursday, Pakistan's Supreme Court ordered authorities to submit a report on the temple's destruction, which drew condemnation for the human rights activists and the minority Hindu community. In Karachi, the capital of Sindh province and where most of the country's Hindus live, more than 200 people protest outside the Supreme Court calling for justice. You must respect other people's religion. We are Pakistanis and for God's sake, nobody need to give us certificate of loyalty, said Mangla Sharma, a Hindu member of Sindh's provincial assembly. The temple, which was destroyed in similar circumstances in 1997, was rebuilt under the direction of the top court in 2015. Thanks for watching this video and give your comment below.